Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track estimated versus actual time in Asana at the portfolio level. This is incredibly useful for understanding whether your team's time estimates are accurate and identifying where projects might be running over or under schedule. To get started, navigate to your project in Asana where you already have tasks set up with estimated time and actual time columns populated with data. These two fields are essential as they'll form the foundation of your time tracking calculation. Once you're viewing your project, look to the right side of your column headers and click the plus plus button. This opens up Asana's custom field options, allowing you to add new columns to your project view. From the menu that appears, select Formula as your field type. Formulas in Asana let you perform calculations automatically, which means you won't have to manually calculate time differences for each task. Next, you'll need to name your new field. Type time difference into the field name box. This label will appear as your column header and clearly indicates what data it contains. Now comes the important part, building your formula. In the formula section, you'll see a drop-down labeled Select Field. Click on it and choose Estimated Time from your available fields. This tells Asana which data point to start with in your calculation. After selecting estimated time, you need to choose your operator. Click the button that shows a plus symbol, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the minus sign. This operator will subtract your actual time from your estimated time, giving you a clear picture of the variance. Next, click the second Select Field drop-down and choose Actual Time. Your formula setup should now clearly display estimated time minus actual time. This calculation will show you whether tasks took more or less time than estimated, with positive numbers indicating you finished under estimate and negative numbers showing you went over. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct, then click the blue Create Field button to finalize and add this column to your project. The time difference column will now automatically calculate the variance for every task in your project, giving you instant visibility into your team's time tracking accuracy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.